Okay, everybody, this is Jed at White Wave Trading. It's Memorial Day. Just a couple of quick announcements. I'm teaching my quarterly class June 20th, the Matrix course. If you want to learn how to set up longer term trades, how to marry the fundamental with the technical and come up with an actionable trade. This is for you if you want to get out of a short-term chart, expand your horizons. I'm just going to show you a couple of recent trade setups. Gold Bitcoin on the 22nd. I sold out of my gold and bought Bitcoin. That was that Bitcoin level's around $87,000 in Bitcoin. I still have it. I have a trailing stop. I've given it to all my subscribers. It's a closing trailing stop, and I'm not looking at it. You know, either I'm right for another 20-25%, or I get taken out making just over 20% in the trade. The other things that are of interest, all the subscribers were alerted to get long uranium after a podcast with the Financial Repression Authority. You know, the URA and NOMI came out with a fundamental reason to be long uranium. Got the trigger for long uranium. All my subscribers were alerted to the fact. And this has just been a monster trade, and I'm looking for a lot higher. You know, the uranium starts holding up here, it could double. So the quarterly looks great, and this has the potential to basically double or triple. Now, on that same vein, there have been ancillary trades as well. Last week, you know, this New Scale Power. You know, some of these names lagged, but you know, the uranium ETF itself took off, but you also had a lot of other lagging plays such as SMR or Oklo. So there's a lot of different ways you can make money, but if you don't have any vision, you don't know what you're looking at, and you don't have a theme that you're trying to trade, you're not going to have any luck trading short-term charts. All right, just the indices right now, they've come up and filled on the 150, so you're going to need some more price action here. Silver's at the top of value, copper's at the top of value, NASDAQ is at the top of value. It needs all new strength higher to get going again. Bonds, you know, a lot of people think this is the low. I don't. And gold is holding cloud support on this last little break. So it either holds, you know, 33.20-ish, or it doesn't. So I wouldn't give long gold any more than that. So again, if you want to find out more about the Matrix course, and this might be the last time I'm ever offering this, it's a 1-year course, and all the particulars are here on my website. All right.